In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite members on Circle.so. This process will allow you to expand your community efficiently and effectively. Whether you're adding a few colleagues or introducing a larger group, following these steps will ensure a smooth experience. First, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. This step is essential as it provides you with the access and permissions needed to invite new members. If you haven't already set up your admin account, make sure to do so, as this process can only be completed with admin privileges. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your dashboard. Here, you will see a tab labeled Members. Click on this tab, and within it, you'll find an option to Invite Members. Select this option, and you'll be taken to a new page specifically designed for inviting new members to your community. Next, you'll see a prompt to enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to invite. Simply type in the emails, making sure to separate each one with a comma. This ensures that the system accurately recognizes multiple entries. If you have a list prepared beforehand, you can easily copy and paste it here. Now, an optional step you might consider is assigning a role or access level to the members you're inviting. Depending on their role in your community, you have the option to choose from member, moderator, or admin. This feature is particularly useful for organizations with different levels of engagement and responsibility. After entering the email addresses, review your list to confirm everything is as it should be. Once you are confident, look for the Send Invites button and click it to dispatch the invitations. This action triggers the invitation emails, notifying each person of their invite to your Circle.so community. In addition to sending email invites, you have the option to generate an invite link. If you opt for this method, click on Copy Invite Link. This link can be shared via email or embedded on a website. It's a convenient option for inviting people who may prefer joining with just a click, bypassing the email process. To ensure everything has gone smoothly, you'll want to verify the status of your invitations. Return to the Members section on your dashboard and look for the tabs labeled Pending and Active. The Pending tab will show you who has yet to accept the invitation, while the Active tab lists those who have joined your community. This verification step helps maintain clarity on the engagement levels of your members. That's everything you need to know to invite members on Circle. So, following these steps will help you build and manage your community with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy inviting.